Pratik. I am studying LKG, kindergarten, strawberry section. Today I introduced domestic animals. Cheppu, domestic animals kept at home as pets. These are very useful to us in so many ways. తర్వాత ఏంటి ఇంకా these are goat, horse, cow, sheep, cat, duck, donkey, hen, buffalo, etc.
థ్యాంక్ యూ
Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ కన్నయ్య.